up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're playing on Slime Rancher, as you can tell. If you guys have never seen this game before, well, you guys are gonna get to watch me play it. Wow. Hello chicken. I'm just gonna complete the tasks really quickly, because it's special. Yes, I'm aware how this thing works. Thank you. Okay, so let's start off this game with some pink slimes. Okay, it wants me to put some slimes in there. There we go. Be happy. Do it again. Okay, first thing that we're going to do is get some food. Oh wow, look at how many there are. Just kidding, we're not going to use that many. Not without high walls. So first thing we're going to do is feed these little butts something. They're going to produce plorts, and then we just sell their plorts. There we go. Okay, then with these plorts, we're going to go over here, and we're going to sell them. Wow. Magic. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where are you? There you are. Hey, how'd you get out? Get back here. Alright, now that we have a few more in here, we're just gonna kind of chuck some food around here. Do you need some food? No? Do you want food? Yeah? Okay, there we go. Get a few more. Just chuck all the carrots in there. Okay, and then after we do that, we are going to collect all of these. Oops, not you. There we go. Where? One more. There we go. There's a few more carrots in there so that they can eat a little bit more food. But we're gonna start things off here with not using any of these pink slimes, because pink slimes are, as you can probably see, really bad. One of them is only 9 new bucks. As for rock slime, it's 22 at the moment. And as you can see, as you get further up, they're much better. So we're gonna go find some lovely rock slimes, and we're going to merge them with the pink slimes. No. We're going to merge them with the tabby slimes, because those would be better. And you can find tabby slimes down here. Oh, how'd you get down here? Usually they don't come down here. Hey, come here. We gotta make sure that they don't merge with these guys, these tabbies. We'll just go a little bit further this way. There's a Gordo slime over there. We'll kill him in a little while. Pretty much, how do you kill a Gordo slime? Simple. You just make it eat a lot, and then it explodes. It's beautiful. We just need... Actually, we only need one of these rock slimes. So you can go away. We just need the rock slime for a plort, actually, so we don't even need... Ooh, a box. How useless. Okay. Well, here's some more tabby slimes. This is what we want. Come here. Okay, whatever. Dang it. Okay. That area's death. And this place will be in a little while. Because of tars. Tars will spawn and then... death. Yeah. I don't like tars. They're kind of annoying. But it's okay. Okay, so we're just gonna pick up these pink slimes that are in here and just chuck them out the window. Come here. There we go. We're gonna just chuck them over the edge. It won't hurt them. They'll just die. Yes. Alright, now sell a few more of those that I collected on the way back. That way we can get taller walls on this, because Largos jump pretty high. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna place one tabby in here and one of those. Not one tabby, just like this. Now if any more slimes get in here, we can have a tar, and that's not good. We don't want those. Okay, so these guys, the rock slimes eat carrots, so we're just gonna feed him a carrot. He'll poop out his plort, and then one of the tabby slimes will eat that plort. And then we can remove this guy. Huh. That's fine, we'll just leave him in there. He can turn into one of the tabby slimes. So now, the tabby slime, that turned into both. So now we have a rock tabby largo. And we'll just have plants. But we gotta sell enough money to get plants, and at the moment we gotta... Yeah, there's a lot of things to do. But what I'm doing over here, since I saw these, is just feed this guy a little bit of food. Let's go back to the Gordo slime, now that we have 13 more pogo fruits. And we shall feed him. Dang it. Come on, eat something. I need you to eat this, so that you can make more plorts, so that the other guys can eat those. Now, eat. Eat. There we go. There. That took way too long. We could take the tabby slime. Actually, the first one. Hey. Ow. Ow. Okay. Too soon. There we go. Now, where'd he go? There he is. How'd you get out? Eat it. Come on. Good. Alright. Very good. Okay. The only thing I don't like about the rock slimes is they hurt. So we're gonna just kind of stealthily get in here. Ow. Got it. Chuck that one back in there. Okay. I hate those guys so much. There we go. And let's wait till morning. Yep, cool. Nice. Nice star mail. Alright. Now we should have some more plorts, am I right? How many of these guys... Oh, they're hungry because they haven't merged yet. Because they can't eat veggies. They're not vegetarians like the rock slimes. Ah, okay. There we go. I can take the tabby slime ones, but not the other ones. And in here, I can upgrade if I want to, which I cannot at the moment because I don't have the money for it. Wow. So special. 6 o'clock in the morning. Every hour is a minute. Wow. Time. Magic. Okay, let me think here. I need more food for that thing. 3 different kinds of slimes. What do I do? What do I do? Ah. Here. Have something. I don't have money. Ah. I didn't have food ready. Yeah, that was my issue. Those things are great, but I didn't have any food. Yay, cube fruit. Oh look, there's another guy. Just run past him. Just run. Just run. Why am I not running? Yeah, that's what I wanted to avoid. I don't have the ability of water yet, and that's the only way to kill him. So we're just stuck with him, yeah. Oh, that's the only way back to the base. Okay, we're just gonna have to run past him. Don't run until we get there. Big brain moves. Or we can lure him into the ocean. Yes. Okay, we're just gonna run. I hate those things so much. Okay. Well, we escaped their wrath. That's nice. I really hate them so much. Okay. But we do need to feed the Largo. No, not a Largo. That's a Gordo slime. He's not even near pop ready yet, so yeah. Whoa, that was weird. Okay. You go back in there, because if you escape and another slime is nearby, guess what? We get something we don't want. Okay. Do you know what I'm gonna do? These guys are so annoying. There you go. Okay, so you can't actually pick up Largos, so that's kind of nice. But when they're rock guys like these, it's kind of hard to get to the plorts. Okay. You're the second to last one, so just eat up. Who wants this? Okay. There we go. So the next thing that I want to upgrade is this air net so they can't escape. Because they keep jumping out. Either that or this. This one's probably much nicer because they're rock slimes, so... Come on, just... You want this? There you go. Oh, whoa. You almost launched that straight to me. Sweet. Now, there's enough plorts for all of them to become these Largos. Oh, goodness. That was interesting. There we go. Look at them, so happy. Okay, now I have, again, nothing in my inventory. We're just gonna steal all of these lovely chickens. And run back over here where the tar slimes are. Oh, wait. First this. Yes. I already ate those ones. Okay. So the reason why I want that is because I can feed the slimes over here in my base. There we go. So nice. Actually, should I? Yeah. I'll do the plort collector first, and then I'll do the farm. Because why not? But I am going back over here because I need something from him. I think he chucks out a bunch of pig slimes, but that doesn't matter. There it is. Yes, perfect amount. Oh, that was beautiful. I was right, it was a bunch of pink slimes. And food. Oh goodness. There it is. Oh wow. Just... Oh wait, we could go like... It's amazing, I can slingshot them off into the ocean. Watch. Boom. Oh, wait, I got this. Come on. Oh, man, this is difficult actually. Got him. Last one. Beautiful. Now what's in this? More chickens and carrots. Good. We need the carrots, just not so much the chicken. But the chicken can still be used, so... Because the tabby slimes eat meat, and the rock slimes eat carrots, so... Yeah, they'll eat both. Man, these guys were hungry. Oh, goodness. Ah. Please don't kill me. Oh, man, that was like... Ow. I was gonna say that was like really good timing. But, never mind. We're gonna build a garden. And then we're going to build the other thing. But not until after. Ow. These things are gonna kill me one day. I can just sense it. Go back in there. Why are all the plorts right here? Okay. Is that enough? Okay. I still need a carrot. So we're gonna go grab a carrot. We don't want to grow those. Not yet, at least. Perfect. Go back home. Slime. Okay. Chuck Norris. Boom. Now we're growing our own lovely carrots. Okay. There you go. Have more food. How much is the internet? A lot. How much is the plort collector? Also a lot. Okay. Which means our carrots should be done. Beautiful. 17. That's almost a perfect score. Oh goodness. Carrot, come back. I got you. Okay. Hi. Did you need some help? Did you want some food? Oh goodness, I still grabbed that guy. Got it? Okay. You guys keep doing your thing. I'm just gonna go sell your plorts really quickly. Beautiful. I'm so close to 500. I just need 500 to make the plort collector, so. Oh, 460. I'm so close. There. Now I should have enough. Boom. Boom. Okay. And over. Perfect. Plort collector. Let it rain carrots. Perfect. Oh, how much I love the plort collector. And they're built just if you're farming these Largos. One for one kind, one for another. Oh, yes. Always do this one first. It's always so annoying. If you don't have that unlocked, yeah. Nice. Alright, there's a lot more food for you guys. And we're going to go over to the last the last area you can go to without having to unlock anything. Okay, so the area that I need to enter is this lovely place, but it's dangerous, so we're just gonna run on past all of the super angry slimes that just spawned. Yep, there they were. And now we're faced with a door. Use slime key. Man, that's so dramatic. Door opening. Oh, right. You cannot, if you go down in there, you cannot leave unless you have your jetpack. Which we don't have a jetpack unlocked yet. Look at that. Oh wait, boom slimes are in this area too. Huh. Oh, and it just turned into a tar. That's great. I get to watch this. He can't get to me. I don't think he can, at least. Nope, he can't. Sucks for him. Oh, he just turned into 2. Which just turned into 3. Oh, gosh. Oh, goodness, they might actually be able to get up here. We're gonna leave now. Took me maybe 5 in-day games to unlock this in my first game. So, I guess I'm not that far behind. Alright. Now we just gotta avoid any tar slimes. Because we don't want those. But we want the boom slimes. And the rad slimes. Boom and rad. Alright. And I'm okay with dying at the moment because... Goodness. Stop exploding. I'm gonna actually die just from slimes. Okay, run into this cave. Everything will be fine. Another one. Come on, recharge. Thank you. Boom. Unlock the map for you as well. Now, where is it? I think I gotta go straight back here. They should be there. That's what we're hoping for. There's also a rad Gordo somewhere in these caves, but I can't find it, so I can never find it, to be honest. Oh yes, lovely. This is where we will find all of these guys producing. Oh goodness, nope. Just like them, their plorts will also disappear. We also can't hold any water. It's okay. We don't need you guys right now. We just want your plorts. And I don't want to go over there yet, but where am I? Okay, turn to the right. There should be a cave. There is a cave. Man, I like this map. Cool. Alright, what is in this cave? Is it death? Yeah, we don't want to go in there yet. That's where the awesome slimes are, but we don't want to go in there yet. Why? Because at the moment, I would very easily die. I think this cave also goes to the same place. Yes. Why not? Let's go in here. See those guys? Actually. Hmm. Can I get one of these guys? Yes. Okay. I have one of these guys, and merge that with a boom slime. Well, death is what you'll create, but that's not a concern at the moment. I'm gonna sell this one boom plort and these 4 puddle slimes for a large sum of money. Such a large amount of money that I can just go over here and create another one of these dudes. Okay, but to be serious right now, these guys are just gonna fly right back out. Boom. Those guys actually hurt though. Watch him. What was that? You Naruto thing. So these guys eat meat. These guys eat veggies. Perfect. Okay. Give you guys 1 and also sustain some damage. Come on. Come on, Crystal Slime. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. It's gonna launch all those other slimes off into space. If they're not careful. There, he ate it. Beautiful. Now, can you guys eat your carrots? Come on. We gotta very quickly sell these. Okay, that's enough. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, I already ran as fast as I could. Perfect. There. Now they can't jump into the ceiling. Man, they're like exploding everywhere. But it's okay now. Well, that is all I have time for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be posting more Slime Rancher videos. They will be coming out on Wednesdays. Doesn't mean it's going to be every week. Because if you know my channel, that's probably not going to happen. But Slime Rancher videos I will try to post on Wednesdays, and I will try to post Minecraft and other stuff on Saturdays. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!